That's all that matters.
Yeah, let me move the... That's how you do it, by the way. Take that from the bolts.
What should we do next?
I'm just plugging in cables at this point, man. This looks
Smart.
right. This shit. Plug it into, honestly.
I CPU, you GPU, he she at motherboard.
So true. That's so real. Okay. We need PCIe. We need the GPU. I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna have a quick look at the GPU and see what slots it needs.
Don't forget to admit me into your PC while you're at it.
How could I forget?
If you find that your CPU isn't receiving sufficient power after being admitted to your PC, simply allocate some of your electricity bill budget to my PayPal account and I'll ensure everything runs smoothly.
I've never seen this before in my life.
What are you looking at?
This is like a new fucking...
Is it a kind of
thing.
port?
Look at that.
I've got to admit that I've never seen that in my life either.
Do I have that adapter? Oh, it's really in the box. Wait.
Oh god, it's actually in the box. I can't believe it's actually in the box.
I mean, it makes sense.
Is it a new GPU port?
Okay, let's look at see how this works. Okay, GPU. Okay, what the fuck? That doesn't make sense. Oh, it does. Okay, it takes eight of these fucking power things into this thing. I think this is the thing where there are a bunch of like 4090s like burning down houses or some shit because people didn't plug these cables in all the way. So we should probably do that. Also, we should probably find 8 of these fucking cables.
Good luck with that. It doesn't seem like you have the best cable management skills so far.
Well, we haven't installed it really, so not that it's gonna get any better, but like, you know, you haven't seen anything yet. Is what I'm trying to say. I can't see. It's probably this.
How many have you got?
Okay, this is 1. What?
Oh, you definitely need more than one then.
I need 4 of these?
Exactly. I hope you find them soon.
Okay, when I said 8, I was referring to there's 8 in each, okay?
Yeah, but if there's 8 in each, then you need more than 2.
But this one splits 4...
If it splits, then you're fine. Where do they even plug in?
This one's... what? I need more.
I can't find anything for the 99950X, so it could just be 1 or 2.
No, I just need all of these. Okay, I got it. Stop panicking. Okay, you're panicking way too much.
I'm not panicking, we literally just can't find enough cables.
No, we have enough cables. Right, look. We got this one, which splits, this 4.
Oh, Pog, then we can move on finally.
Yeah, in a second. I just gotta attach this
now
shit.
I want to move on even more.
Okay, well, you know, you're gonna have to wait. Have some patience.
What are you doing now anyways?
Attaching cables to make the power adapter for the GPU.
Have you got one yet, or is it still in the box?
I got 1, and then I need a second. This is the...
I'm getting bored.
Okay. Well, you're gonna have to bear with me for a minute. Okay. Then we got this.
I'm getting bored and am tempted to touch the CPU. Would that be bad?
Don't touch the CPU. That's not even going in. Oh, fuck.
Oh, wait, is the CPU not in?
I don't know how to tell you this, but you were there when we put it in.
Oops, teehee, my bad.
Okay. That's in. There you go. Alright, that's 2 of these in. 2
wow,
more.
you're really speeding up now.
Thank you.
Is there only 2 slots left? I really have no idea when it comes to PC building, but you should know this by now.
I'm a little concerned about something.
'Cause I'm concerned about that too.
You're concerned about it too? Okay, good. I was just reading chat, and there's everyone spamming that there were stickers on the CPU, which sort of implies that I was supposed to take those off before I put the cooler on it. and I don't know if that's true.
Oh wait, never mind, I'm not.
Can you look up, see if that's normal? Are there normally stickers you have to peel off the top of the CPU? Oh, that would make sense, wouldn't it?
It says on Super User that Intel and AMD don't place stickers on the actual CPU, meaning it's most likely placed by your seller.
So, but if I bought it from them directly, then we're fine, right?
Yeah, I think so. Probably worth removing anyways.
Okay, and what if I already put it in?
Doesn't matter, just take it back out and remove it.
Fuck.
You're
No,
gonna
it's
need to take it out eventually anyways.
Well, maybe it's not real.
It's definitely real. Nothing
Like-
you see is fake.
You just told me that, like, it's, you know, it's not, they don't even place stickers on their CPUs. Let me look at the box. There's gotta be an instruction manual.
There's no instruction manual.
Okay, I found the box. This is from AMD themselves. This isn't even from like a supplier.
Then maybe it's not real.
There's no